Hi, and welcome to Snagbooks Online Bookstore. In this tutorial video, we are going to cover how to create an account. To begin, head over to www.snagbooks.com. Then look for the head sign, then click Register. You can use the Smart Login feature to register and create your account. You can sign up using your existing Facebook, Google, Twitter, LinkedIn, or Amazon to register on our website. If you want to sign up directly, simply enter your first name, last name, email address, and your password and click Register. You'll be taken to the account verification page using Google's reCAPTCHA. Follow the instructions and then click Submit. You are now registered. After registration, you will be taken back to the account detail page. Navigating back to the home page, when you mouse over the head icon, you will notice that the option to log in and register would have been changed and you will see the My Account link. Click the My Account link. You'll be taken back to your account detail page. This will show you all your previous orders and your existing address book. Next, you'll want to add the address you want your books to be shipped to by clicking on View Address. You'll then be taken to the address page. You can now add your delivery address. Once you've added your new address, save it, and it'll be saved for the next time when you place an order. It's important to note that you can add multiple addresses and set any address you choose as the default by checking the box beside the term Set as Default Address. You can return to your account at any time to edit or delete addresses that you have saved. You are now registered, set your default address, and ready to start snagging great deals. This concludes the tutorial. Thanks for making it Snag Books.